Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is PJ Ortega and you're watching another episode of the Diary of a Social Climber. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. So I'm doing another unboxing video because I went out last Saturday. I went to BGC. I went to this pink store, which I will show the video here, and walk around the Juan Bonifacio High Street Mall. Walk around BGC basically and went to different stores while waiting for my friends because we're celebrating my best friend's post-birthday party, dinner, actually dinner. Ayun, so while waiting, naglakad-lakad ako na masyal-masyal and ayun nga, I'll show you the video kung saan ako nagpunta and then later on, I will show you what I bought. Let's go! So we're here at Shangri-La at the 4th at the ground floor because we're going to distinct store here. It's sale, they're on sale. Sale sila ng October 1 to October 30. So they carry Versace, Numero 21, MGM, and other tag dito, other brands from Paris and Italy. So let's go. Sale na siya, bongga. Let's go inside. We're here at Numero 1 Distinct. So ayan. Here are the Numero 21 sale. I like this one. 5,000 na lang siya. Pero wala nang size ko. Then this one is 8,000 pesos na lang. And there's actually for 60% off. Yeah. There's shape couture. That's nice. Wala na ito. Sayang po, maganda na Versace for 7,000. Here at 158 Designer Boulevard. We're looking at Tory Burch. Armani. We have Calvin Klein. They're on sale right now. We're here at Michael Kors. Patingin ako ng black. Sa brown. 8. Kahit 8. At Michael Kors. Ayan. What's this?
Contact number po.
So, ayan nga. Actually, what I bought, eto na, papakita ko na. So, I bought an item from Distinct Store. So, Distinct Store is a store, parang it's a specialty shop. Parang nawawala ako sa wisho. So, Distinct is a specialty shop that actually carries French and Italian brands like Versace, Numero 21, Sequoia Paris, Complet. They have a lot. So, ayun. And they're on sale for the whole month of October hanggang October 30. So, ayun. I went there and I bought this one. And then, while waiting again, kasi hindi pa sila available, I also bought another item from Michael Kors. And this is on sale. So, unahin na natin to si Michael Kors. Buksan na natin. As you can see, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Buksan na natin. Ayan. Sirain na natin yung ano. There you go. So, eto ang receipt. I'll show you. I bought a flats. Brand new flats. Kasi, I'm afraid, kasi ano ko I'm a high heels type of a person. Doon sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, you know, ever since college days, nagbabiyahe pa ako noon na nagbubus ako, nag-G-liner, nag-G-jeep ako, pero lagi na ako naka-heels. Sa office, lagi ako naka-heels. Pumps, stilettos, lahat. Sinusuot ko yan. At talagang kilala ako sa pagsusuot ng heels anywhere, every day. But since 7 months na lockdown, never pa ako nagsuot ng heels. Feeling ko, at medyo lumaki ako at tumaba ako lalo. Nakakalokang aminin, di ba? Pero yun nga, 7 months, lumaki ako, tumaba ako, hindi ako nag-heels. Feeling ko, pag by the time na lalabas na ako, papasok na ako sa work, or kahit na yung mga minsan na magpupunta ako sa mall to meet friends, or pupunta ako sa grocery, I don't think makakayanan ko ng mag-heels. Kaya I bought another pair of flats because I have a few lang. Very few lang ang flats ko. So gusto ko siyang dagdagan. So I bought a pair of flats from Michael Kors. Ayan. And this is on sale. Pakita natin. So this is very, very basic. Ito siya. Ito ang kanyang itsura. So this is black. So wala akong black flats Meron akong maroon, meron akong white, meron akong colorful, meron akong cream, but wala pa akong black. And what's nice about this, ayan ang ganda ng kanyang design here, which is a lock. Tapos, ang ganda nito sa loob kasi sobrang lambot. So I tried wearing this, I tried walking, wearing this. Super sarap sa paa. So this is Flats Alice Alice ang design niya. So this is originally 7,650 pesos. Pero on sale siya, so binayaran ko na lang is 5,494 pesos. Tapos, what's nice is that I have 200 pesos sa aking SSI account. I'm pretty sure if you're going to Rustans, if you buy luxury items, and magre-register kayo sa SSI Life, mag-earn kayo ng points. So, I have 200 points. So, yun nga, nabawasan. Ginamit ko yung points ko. Ang binayaran ko na lang is 5,294 pesos for this pair of Michael Kors Alice flats. Ang ganda niya, diba? Ayan. Okay, so now let's go to the second and last item. Again, yun nga, pumunta ako sa Distinct. I bought a bag from Complet. So basically, Complet is a French brand that carries designer outfits and bags. Ang cute ng bags niya. Search niyo siya sa IG. Ang ganda ng mga bags nila. So this one is very sikat, the design. So I bought this. And without further ado, I will show you the bag that I bought. Tanan! There you go! Ang ganda niya. So it's blush pink. Ang ganda ng handle. This is a Saffiano leather. Ayan. So, eto lang siya. Metal lock. So, tanggalin natin yung palaman. If you would see inside, ayan. So, the inside, as you can see, is suede. Tapos, meron siyang isa pang compartment dito. Ayan. Makikita mo, Complet. Made in Italy, but I know this is a French brand. Naka-emboss din dito yung name na Complet. There you go. This is the tag. This is originally priced at 28,880, but since this thing will be closing, they're at 70 to 80% off. I bought this bag for a staggering discount, for a very, very wonderful discount. And ang presyo na lang niya is 5,776 pesos. This is the Valerie Mini Satchel. So, ayan, very, very... I know that the bag hag, which is a fashion blogger for bags, ang ganyan, meron siya nito and she likes it and I liked it too. I don't know, very, very dainty, but also classy. Pwede siyang pang everyday, pwede din siyang pang evening, di ba? Diba? Yung small bag lang that you can carry sa dinner or, you know, going out, watching a play, watching an opera, ganyan, concert, whatever. So, ayan, there you go. I really, really love this purchase because yun nga, I know, pag sa website, bibilin mo siya, nasa mga 20,000 siya. But since ito, syempre, in-import, ganyan, nasa 28,000 siya. Pero I was able to buy it for 5,775 pesos. And I'm loving it. So there you go, guys. I hope you like this video. Please comment kung nagandahan kayo sa bag or dun sa shoes or talagang nabonggahan kayo sa discounts na nakuha ko when I went out. So, ako talaga matyaga ako maglibot-libot. Tapos titignan ko kung ano yung mga nakasale. Oo, hindi ako nahihiyang pumunta sa mga luxury item store. Tapos magtatanong ako if they are on sale or kung wala man lang nakapaskil, I would ask them, are there any items on sale? Don't be shy because again, mas makakatipid ka talaga di ba? I've been wanting, for example, I've been wanting this bag for so many months now. No, actually 1 year. 1 year ago, kung nakita to, gusto ko na siya. Pero after a year, sobrang laki ng discount and I got it na. So again, I hope you like this video. I hope you've learned something. Ay wala lang, gusto ko lang ipakita na na-happy ako sa mga purchases ko. Please leave your comments down below. I really love to hear from you guys. And of course, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, please, please. And hit the like button as well. Thank you very much. And happy social climbing, everyone. Love, love, love. Bye!